Here's the problem. You've heard how great of an opportunity selling on Amazon is, yet creating a winning product is tough. The way you design your products can make or break your business. What do consumers want in a product you're trying to sell, and what bothers them about similar products? Is there even a demand in the market so that your product can fill the gap? Who are your consumers? Are they teenage girls or stay-at-home moms? Are they buying for themselves or for someone else? You try to figure this out by reading tons of reviews from your competitors, both good and bad comments. Yet this is taking your team hours or even days to compile. You spend more time sifting through Amazon comments, putting them in your Excel sheet, and imagining what your customer profile looks like instead of actually growing your business, and that's not okay. You were so tired of spending hours fine-tuning a product just to end up with something that is way off from what the current market actually wants. And that's why VOC AI was created, a total product tuning solution. You can come up with the perfect product by letting AI do all the review analysis for you. Use our browser extension to dive deep into competitor reviews right on Amazon. With just one click, you're able to see who your customers are, what they like and dislike about the product, what motivates them to buy, the usage scenario, and so much more. Once you know what your winning product looks like, you can quickly download a report and send it off to your supplier and marketing team, hitting the bullseye for every aspect of private labeling on Amazon. Want to see historical reviews that Amazon has removed? VOC AI has been collecting reviews since 2021. If you want it, we have it, available exclusively for our enterprise clients. Now, how should you prioritize different aspects of your product tuning? We have a cheat sheet for you, and it's called the rating optimization chart. This chart gives you an overview of which product features that customers like or dislike. So you want to keep the features that gets lots of praise and compliments in the reviews, which is shown higher up on the right, and fix those that cause dissatisfaction, shown higher up on the left. VOC AI is going to give you all the information that you're going to need to create a hot selling product on Amazon. Stop wasting time and join thousands who have already decided to enhance their product tuning with VOC AI. VOC AI, Amazon product tuning made easy.